In today's video, we will continue to share on business management concepts. Join us in this learning journey.
Every ambitious project begins a journey fueled by aspirations, often confronting turbulence. Within the dynamic realm of project management, obstacles are both familiar and complex. Budget overruns pose significant risks, threatening the financial stability and success of even the most well-planned endeavors. Missed deadlines affect global project managers by undermining confidence and jeopardizing outcomes. These challenges, among others, can obstruct a project's journey to completion. However, early identification of these challenges is crucial. Project audits play a key role here, acting as a guiding light by uncovering hidden issues, allowing for proactive management and alignment with goals. As we delve into project audits, understand their importance in overcoming obstacles and ensuring a project not only reaches but surpasses its objectives. We now step into the detailed process of project audits, a structured exploration that reveals hidden challenges and opportunities. At its core, effective auditing begins with thorough planning. This stage equips auditors with critical project insights, laying the groundwork for a fruitful review. Transitioning to execution, auditors utilize diverse tools, from interviews to data analysis, to illuminate unnoticed issues. Each discovery is meticulously evaluated, ensuring comprehensive understanding. Finally, synthesizing findings into a coherent report marks the audit's culmination. This document not only details issues, but also proposes actionable solutions, enabling strategic improvements in project management. As we proceed, the lasting impacts of adopting such a thorough auditing process will become evident, enhancing efficiency, transparency, and project outcomes. Concluding our journey through project audits, we see their value transcends mere problem-solving. Regular audits embody a proactive strategy to elevate project outcomes, shining a light on details that ensure success within scope, budget, and timelines. Such a commitment boosts stakeholder confidence, fostering trust through transparency and consistent improvement. This trust lays a foundation for successful future collaborations and smoother project workflows. Furthermore, project audits encapsulate valuable lessons, offering a beacon for future ventures. By leveraging these insights, organizations develop a resilient culture of learning, paving the way for sustained success. In sum, regular project audits symbolize a dedication to excellence, ensuring that project teams not only address issues promptly, but also apply learned insights to surpass their aspirations.
Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning! Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning!